3 teenagers are being held without bond, charged with capital murder in the shooting death of a 70-year-old Baldwyn man. The community was shocked after Henry Adams Jr. was found dead at his home. Now authorities say robbery appears to be the motive. WCBI's Allie Martin has more.
3 juveniles, Quindarius Burris and Daquan Stribling, both 13, and 14-year-old Jace West are each charged with capital murder. Since their arrest last week, they have been held at the Lee County Adult Jail. Under Mississippi law, a minor charged with a felony can be charged as an adult in circuit court. Drew Stewart is a criminal defense attorney who has represented minors charged with serious crimes. He says, although state law allows the teenagers to be treated as adults, there is one major difference when it comes to possible sentences.
The United States Supreme Court said in 2005 that the imposition of the death penalty against a juvenile violates the 8th Amendment's prohibition against cruel and unusual punishment.
So while the death penalty is not an option for the 3 juveniles, if convicted of capital murder, they could face either life in prison without parole or life in prison with the possibility of parole. The juvenile suspects will likely stay in the adult jail until the case goes before the grand jury. If the grand jury indicts, a circuit court judge could decide to send the case to youth court. If that happens, the teenagers would be moved to the juvenile detention facility. If the case stays in circuit court, Stewart says it would proceed like any other. Stewart does say any suspect, regardless of age, must have an understanding of the process.
The defendant needs to be competent to such an extent that he or she can assist their trial counsel in defending their own case.
Stewart points out that it is one of many issues the trial judge will have to decide. In Tupelo, I'm Allie Martin, WCBI News.
The case is expected to be presented to the grand jury in January.